Before this video gets started, today we're going to be using this other video, and don't ask why I am in a girl's bedroom. It's because I am not gay. I mean, never mind. Just I like pink. I like flamingos. This is my sister's room. Let's get the video started. Oh, I'm so tired. Might as well text my friend now. How good my friend is doing. Okay, yeah. Okay, turn that off. Okay, let me think what I can do. I'm kind of hungry. Oh, I'm kind of hungry. Maybe I can have one of these Snickers. Oh, I should watch TV.
You just said they live in cold places and they need to keep on.
No, they don't.
That's what you just said.
Oh, we live in cold water.
Hello everybody, this is a Springs channel. Do you want a bed? Yes you do. You want a free bed right now. Here's a look. The coolest bed ever. He repeats what you say. And he has a weird voice. I am very charming. I can't fly though. Oh, yours today. Whoa, that looks so awesome. Oh, I wish I had one, but I don't have the money. Mario, why did you come out, Pete? Why are you so tiny? Oh, they shrunk me. Oh, and follows you? How did you know? So what are you going to say? Here's money. Oh, thanks. You are playing me. I saved you twice, or even more than twice. Whatever. Yeah, turn around. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. We're breaking up. Shut up. So can I buy this? Yep, £1 million. Here you go. Then I'll take this. Happy travels. Okay, bye. This is my secret room that nobody knows about. Anyway, so what you can do? I can't kill people. Wait, what? Nothing. And what else can you do? Eat chicken. Poop. No, something exciting. Eat chicken. Wait, isn't that kind of a village thing? You're kind of a... Wait, what are you? I'm a chicken? You don't look like a chicken. I'm a chicken, damn it! Ow, ow, ow! Fine. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna do something nice. I'm gonna get this knife. What? Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. Is that a butter knife?